At worldwide level, our technology is used in more than 20,000 machine tools, with over 20 million litres of mechanical oil superfiltered every year. The filter aid is dropped into the pre-coating tank. The oil, mixed with the filter aid, is sent to the filtration bulb. In this component, the filter aid is deposited on special supporting elements produced in synthetic fabric, while the clean oil returns to the mixing cone through the central pipeline. When all of the filter aid has been deposited on the discs, the exhausted oil is drained off from the dirty tank and sent to the filtering bulb. Here, thanks to the size and the form of the filter aid, all particles up to 3 to 5 micron are blocked, discharging the oil into the clean oil tank, from which it's then sent to the machines. Filtration continues until a quantity of impurities is deposited on the filter aid, in such a manner that the pressure inside the bulb reaches the highest possible level. This is followed by the discharging phase. During this phase, filtration is stopped in the discharging bulb, but it can continue in the bulb next to it. The discs inside the discharging bulb start rotating to allow the filter aid to be separated from the sludge. The bottom drum valve is opened and all the dirty oil is discharged into a special tank. Once the filter is reactivated with the coating and filtration restarts, the sludge drying process can be started. The tank is divided into two parts. In the upper part, the sludge is collected and a vacuum is created in the lower section. With an ejector activated by the sludge pump, the oil is sucked out again, leaving in the upper part of the tank shovelable sludge that will be eliminated. Superior filtering consistency ensures consistent machine tooling processes. Higher energy efficiency and minimal losses due to filtering media. Best cost filtering capacity ratio, very low lifetime cost, superior particle retention capacity and recycling. Machine tools definitely prefer COMAT technology.